Morning, everybody. I'm here with Kyo Fukuda at the Affordable Art Fair in New York City, and I'm taking you on a quick tour of the booth. Here are Hamanishi-san's unbelievably detailed mezzo-tints. We strongly urge you to look on YouTube to find out how people make mezzo-tints. He's really the master of the mezzo-tint. Next to that is a beautiful paperwork by Sarah Breyer. It's her newest piece called Celestial Threads. And Sarah's prolific, so it's one of her newest pieces. But how beautiful the fronds are and the paper fibers showing us the passage of the moon. Next to Sarah, Kawamura Sayaka's fun and huge wood blocks. She's using water-based ink for a very soft palette. Next comes Hamanishi again with this incredible diptych. And moving on, we have Saito Noriko's dry point. Now, Saito Noriko, I always tell people, kind of a mixture between Miro and Basquiat, but she's very, very much her own woman. This time, Kyo decided, hey, let's give a shout out to Kawachi Seiko. We're excited to be on the team that's helping open the Kawachi Seiko Private Museum next year. And Kyo has brought originals and wood blocks by this master. Kazu Morishita and Imamura and Hamanishi make up our final wall. You're looking now at how silver leaf and gold leaf can really enhance a piece, showing beautiful iridescence, a nod to the past of Japan, when many of the masters used gold and silver leaf. So these three people have done a wonderful job. The Affordable Art Fair, it's on today at the Metropolitan Pavilion and tomorrow. So we hope to see you there. We're on the second level, A4. Thanks. Bye.